So I just got a brand new package from Fashion Nova. And I know what you're thinking. Is this package for me or is it for my wife? But the truth is, it's actually for me because Fashion Nova has come out with a men's line and has had a men's line for a few months now, and people are raving about it. But we on this channel want to know is, does it cater to the big guy? So stay tuned to see if the men's big and tall crowd can actually buy stuff from Fashion Nova. So let's get started. What's up, big fellas? My name is Dondra Gray. Thank you guys for tuning in to another episode on my channel. And if you like the content and the information, go ahead and click that subscribe button as well as that bell notification so that you're notified any and every time I drop some new heat. And also follow me on Instagram at Dondrick_Ray. Now let's jump right into the content. Does Fashion Nova make stuff that big men can actually wear? They have a few things on the website that go up to a 3X. Jeans go up to a 42, so they say. And also a few shirts that go up to a 3X. So I decided to be the guinea pig for you guys to let you know whether or not you guys can actually buy stuff from Fashion Nova. So let's crack this open. So what I got here is a pair of red track pants with a white stripe. And this is, just as it says, it's a 3XL. Now first thing I noticed right off the bat is that the material is thin. Feels like a mixture of like mesh and polyester. Doesn't feel like the quality is all that great. And I don't know if you guys can tell, there's already some threads loose around the drawstring opening, but they do look nice, and they do also have the zipper at the ankle on the inside. And the first impressions are they do feel like I said, they do have a bit of a cheap feel to them. And I'm gonna be honest with you guys, the materials that they use don't really feel that good on the skin, but they do look good. They have a nice stretch to them, and I can kind of see myself wearing these all day. And one of the things, probably my favorite things about these pants, is that the pockets are really deep. You can't really find track pants with deep pockets like these. Men need deep pockets. We carry wallets and telephones and all kind of stuff. Nowadays, men are rocking the fanny packs across the shoulder, but a lot of us are too fat to pull that off on this channel. So my final thoughts on this purchase and the grade I give it, I would give it a solid C+. The materials do feel very cheap, and the materials don't really feel that good on the skin, but they do look good. They're stretchy, they're easy to move in, and they do achieve that desired look that one should be looking for when trying to purchase a pair of track pants. These pants will definitely be the focal point for a nice athleisure outfit. Well, once again, big fellas, thank you for tuning in to another episode on my channel. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember to comment down below as to what kind of issues and or topics you want to see me cover in the future. And with that being said, I'm gonna check you guys later. And just remember, just because you big, don't mean you can't stay fly. Peace.